Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin has dipped into the newly generated long liquidation leverage box marked in purple on my chart. The price action has completely cleared this box. However, when checking the 12-hour liquidation heat map, we can see that more high leverage long positions have opened since then. These positions span from $92,400 down to $91,400, with an average of $50 million in volume for every $50 increment. This suggests we could see a further drop to clear these levels, potentially reaching $91,400. To reflect this, I have generated a new purple box below the current price action. On the other hand, if we look upward, hotter pockets are building at $96,500, with leverage volumes reaching $120 million. For now, the price seems to be holding steady without breaking below $92,000. Meanwhile, Michael Saylor has made waves again. MicroStrategy announced the acquisition of over 5,000 Bitcoin for more than $560 million, at an average price of roughly $106,000 per Bitcoin. Their Bitcoin holdings have grown to over 440,000 coins, acquired for close to $28 billion at an average price of around $62,000 per coin. That is absolutely astonishing. Market sentiment has shifted slightly, with 22% now neutral and just 48% bearish. There is also bullish news from Bannock. They have suggested that the United States could reduce its national debt by 35% if it establishes a strategic Bitcoin reserve. The same firm has projected that Bitcoin could hit $42 million by the year 2049. On the monthly returns front, December has now reached negative 3.3%. This is unexpected, especially during a halving year when the supply shock should be in full effect. With just 1 week left in the month, there is still a chance for recovery. I am expecting a lot from the upcoming weekly candle. From here, I am anticipating a rise to at least $96,500, which would clear out the newly opened over-leveraged short positions. That said, I am prepared to react if the price dips lower to $91,400. For now, sit back, drink some tea, and relax. Bitcoin has had a rough time recently, like someone who partied too hard. It just needs to finish throwing up and clear the system before we can go back to partying. Join the Discord for real-time updates. If you found value in this content, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.